Hello again everyone, Philip here. Now this is basically a little setup type of thing here right now. I'll explain everything in a little bit, but I want to tell you guys something a little bit before I begin to explain what there is and begin the actual video that I want to do. But I kind of figured, heck, might as well do like a pre-prep thing for you guys, and you know, just deal with all the other stuff. Now, I did actually get the nuclear things, but that is later. That is like so tiny. That's like so okay. Anyway, enough of that. So I at least want to tell you guys, something about yesterday and why excuse me, and of why exactly of why do I have you know, why do like, you know, why will I have like so many videos and whatnot coming up next. So that's basically a lot to explain. Excuse me, good. It's pretty much like a lot to explain, really, because well, heck. There we go, that's pretty good. So now I know how to do that. Anyway. Basically, kind of like the only reason, so to speak, is, well, that's close enough. The reason why I sort of like speak about this is because, well, heck, you remember yesterday. You remember, well, I probably have said this before though, but I said I was gonna have like a driver's ed thing, maybe. I've seen this. What am I doing? I had basically had like a behind the wheel class. Oh crap! I basically had a behind the wheel lesson yesterday, and doing that CS:GO comp match. Well, surprise, really. Surprise, really, is that well, heck, the match went longer than expected, to be honest. Okay, I mean, the entire thing. Oh, that's not what I want to put it. The match went longer than expected. That's what I thought. I thought this was going to be like a real easy type thing, you know, just to deal with. Oh, that's not what I want. It was like a real easy. I thought it was going to be a real easy surprise thing, you know. Just to have it done fast, easy, and you know, all of that. So, so yeah, that's what there is, really. That's really like what there is, to be honest. So I had to abandon the match, but I told them just to kick me off so that, like, you know, so that I can at least avoid a ban which is actually pretty much the good thing, really. So I'm not really sure if they lost or not. They probably have done on for what I'm about to say next. To what's coming up. So yeah, that's basically like what there is, really. So there's gonna be like some videos because this one match went way fast than expected. I completely hardly thought that this was gonna. I hardly thought this was gonna be done and whatnot, but technically it wasn't. So yeah, so it's just a real good surprise just to find out that the match went longer than expected. We seemed to like really hold up our said area, really. So yeah. Now before I start heading up there, I want to say the only reason why I'm doing this with Gabe Newell or whatnot, should probably put down. He probably is, but I'm not. Probably isn't, but I'm not. Okay, that explains a lot now of what to do. Anyway, the only reason why I'm doing this is because, well, I was playing some CS:GO comp like you would expect, though, and decided, heck, might as well do some comp because, heck, I freaking abandoned that last one. So pretty much like yeah. It's pretty much like yeah. And then, well, on my last match I was gonna play for last night, well, I realized I was at Silver 2. I'm not Silver. Ugh, I'm like so tired and out of my mind. I was not at Silver 2. I went from Silver 2 back to Silver 1. Ugh, excuse me. I'm like really yawning and whatnot. Anyway, so today I'm fucking putting the blame on Valve with you know who, this godlike figure douche, in some real good, entertainable stuff here. So here's the scenario. So really, I'm not really sure if I lost that match previously. Okay? I'm not actually fully sure if I lost it or not, because I have no idea, because I decided to get kicked from that session. Well, there was like other time, and then there's like other times where it's basically like, well, then there was like other times where it's like we lost, whatnot, and I had like freaking stupid pieces of living crap teammates, just all of that. Yeah, I'll take this one. So I basically had like living pieces of crap teammates, really. Let's do, yeah. There we go. That should do it. So, yeah. So pretty much, really, I went down because, and I lost like about a couple matches, and basically I'm gonna put some blame, and some blame onto me too, a little bit for this. The reason why is because, well, heck, you know that matchmaking thing that there is, right? Oh yeah, that didn't do anything. So you know the matchmaking thing, whatchamacallit. So basically, like, it's okay. So it's basically, like, really... Basically, like, really... I believe, like, this matchmaking thing, kind of, for, like, putting me into, like, crappy teams. Like, for crying out loud. It's like, half the team... It's like, it's basically, like, like 30 to 10% chance you might actually get a good team, for crying out loud. The reason why is because, well, heck. So, the reason why is because I always have a team that, well, you know, they'll either A, friggin' rant upon each other. Sorry. They'll always rant upon each other saying, oh, you suck or whatnot, or just something else. Or just start killing each other, for crying out loud. Like freaking idiots. I mean, for crying out loud, I don't even know why we beat. I don't even know why I'm like still freaking. I don't know why I'm like bottom friggin', for crying out loud, because I should be top friggin' just the way these idiots are doing right now. And I have some people who just say, oh, let's try to do a no scope. Oh, and that never freaking works barely, because you gotta be pure freaking lucky to get a no scope. Oh, you're better off killing the guy with your pistol, for crying out loud. So yeah. So basically it's like whipping me off, really. And I'm freaking sick of it. And it's like, it freaking causes me to rage like this. Now let's do it on another freaking NPC here. That's what it makes me want to do, for crying out loud. That's what it does. So, that's basically the whole scenario type of thing. And it's pretty much like, really, I've only had like a few times where I've had a good team, we've won, or tied. I don't really care if like my dumb team of us, we tie it. I don't really care if we tie it like that. But it's basically like, really, like the stupid system for the for this ranking skill group thing is basically like really retarded. It pretty much is. Because heck, you get into a freaking worst team ever. And whenever I'm with idiots, I'm basically like thinking to myself, like, screw it. I'm gonna be D-ranked anyway, for crying out loud, so I might as well just make my day a living nightmare, for crying out loud. So yeah. Anyway, so here's the video that I at least want to do. That's how I'm gonna have to float up and down and whatnot, because heck, that's how I fucking have to do things. And basically I'm at 75 health because I tried doing this stuff before and earlier, so it was pretty fun. So yeah, so just pretend I'm up top. Just glitch myself up. So just pretend I'm up top and carrying out the things. Gabriel, you're hereby charged with these following crimes: making the latest TF2 update a living piece of crap, and giving players the worst, repeat, the worst time, the worst team ever in CSGO comp. Your punishment will be death by nuke by either way. Hey, you choose. Choose your punishment. I probably say like some. So, It is the nuke pack, huh? We shall bring it in towards it. Doctor, whatever. Are you ready with the plan? And he says, yes. Yes, Philip. Commence the detonation. Shit. Oh, there it goes. It kinda glitches out for me. Should almost be ready. Gonna enjoy this so time. Let's see, it's almost about ready. Ooh, it's about to blow. Holy moly, I should sat in jail. Oh my word. Oh. Philip, where did you go? I'm down here. Fucking like a freaking bad part of town here. I gotta get my way out. What if you sit in a chair? I wonder if that will work. It brings you down quite low on health for that one, geez. I'm back. Oh, holy cow, look at that blood. Yeah, it really does add a blood effect to this. Okay, so I'm wondering if sitting down in a chair would work. Just gotta eat up, guy like sheesh please. I wonder if sitting into a chair would be better. Oh, well, I thought I... There we go. So I'm wondering if sitting down in a chair would freaking help. Let's do big office chair. Ah, fudge. By the way, for me, now I know how to rotate these things. Alright, let's do it. Ah, crap. Come on. Okay, so I'm wondering if just with wiggle it chair this would actually survive. Well, you know, let's do... I have the airstrike, so if I could just... Yeah, it does... Probably does not really matter. Okay. Let's see if this works out on. I think I might have killed him. The animation would be better if I wasn't having this much script errors. I think I might have killed them. Yep, no sign. See what happens if it does to a car. Alright, let's do it to a tank. Okay, take. Set. It's going to so kill it. I'll be clipping for this. Holy cow! It blows up that tank so far. Oh, there it goes. Here goes. Off to like down there. Holy cow. Holy cow. I love this pack so much. It sounds like fun, like the nukes that Vanos Gaming does and whatnot. But man, that was awesome. Boy, we went to a quest, but I don't even think I could repair it, I don't think. Let's see, what the? It just disappears. I think I blew it up too much. Ugh. I wonder what would happen if you do the nuke to yourself. Probably die. Freedom of speech. Goodbye. Holy crap! Holy crap! Whoa! Nuke time of the city! Holy cow! Dude, look at my claws! Oh my word! Man. You know what, I just want to do one last thing off camera while we're some of those nukes, because that is just crazy. So see you guys later. Take care and peace out.